Hello everyone, this is video number 6 and in this video we are going to discuss about some so we can say that some points or some tips or trick to improve your spoken English. Do you know my friends, speaking English is very important part of your life, and this is because if you not know English you lose lots of opportunity, right? Because English is, people, lots of people say that uh, we are suppress our mother tongue. That's okay, we are not suppress our mother tongue. I respect our mother tongue, but our you know our the mother tongue is okay, it is our mother tongue and we love our mother tongue. But English is also important if you want to grow in your career, if you want to if you want to become successful in your life. You have to learn English. You never neglect English because of on the name of mother, on the name of your mother tongue, or on the it's okay. We everybody love our mother tongue, and I'm also love our mother tongue because, but I will give you example that if you go in any interview, most of the interview they ask you in English, and if you not speak in English, there are high chances that they will reject you in interview. So why we not improve English? What is the reason? What is the problem? you know w- English is also language, so what the problem? If we learn Hindi, so we can also learn English. The people who are foreigners, they think that Hindi is a very it is a very difficult language to understand. It is a difficult language to learn and speak, but we speak English very fluently, easy, in easy way. So why we cannot speak English, right? But you know that English is very easy language in whole world. So that's why English is international language, right? So why we not learn English? I think there are lots of point that I want to say that to how to improve your English. So before that, I think the problem is that the people thinking that English is everything. That's the reason they never speak English, and they feel hesitate. They think that if I speak English wrong, people laugh at me, people mock at me. Don't worry about that. People always laugh at you if you speaking better English, or if you speak wrong English, they always laugh at you. So don't worry about the people, stupid people, because this is your life. If you improve your English, you will live your life better. You will get more opportunity in life, right? So don't care about the people, because people are to to people are to you say that to demotivate you. So don't care about the people. So now the point come on that how to improve English. So I have I will share with you. I will share with you some points to how to improve English and how I improve my English. Right. So listen carefully this video, because this is valuable for you. So first point is that start thinking in English. Start thinking in English. Do you know, my friend? This is the very important part of your life. This is very important part if you want to improve your spoken English. Problem is that most of the people are, they are translating that Hindi sentences into English. That's why they never speak fluent English. They speak very it is like they are speaking like it is look like fake if you translate Hindi sentence, and after that you speak, right? It is not authentic, looking authentic. That's why you never speak fluent English. So start thinking in English. So now the question is come that how to think in English, right? So see that whatever you see in the surrounding or your surrounding, start thinking out about that. Like I will give you example that if you sitting in the room, right? So you see that what is in room. See that in my room there are lots of books. In my room there is one fan. In my room there is one bulb. Start thinking like that, right? If you go anywhere, if you go outside thinking like that, bus is running, car is running, right? There is a road, lots of people are walking. Think like that. Speak in your brain, speak in your mind. It will help you to improve your English. And trust me guys, this is a very effective method, because I have applied same formula, same technique for myself to improve my English, right? And second, you can do that, start reading books. Because see that if you read book, if you read more and more book in English, what it will benefited, that it will benefit you to improve English. So how it benefit? See that if you read the books, you read lots of words, lots of sentences. So that all the sentences, all the the words, your brain if you read again and again, brain remember that okay, it is so now some words are very difficult in English, so your brain is familiar with that word, so it is not too much difficult for you to speak English, right? And the third point is that you can start writing. So writing is also important part of improving your English. You can write anything like that, what you do in daily. You can write at least one page daily. If you continue for at least 1 year, you see that there are lots of changes in your English. What you write what you do whole days, right? What you do whole days, right? So write a journal type something, so it will benefit you. And the fourth point is start listening, because listening is very important. And why listening is very important, I will give you, some valid point. See that, think about that when you are very small, so very small, and how you learn your mother tongue. Like your mother tongue may be Hindi, English, Bengali, anything. So which is your mother tongue? Think about that, how you speak, how you learn your mother tongue. Because that time, when you start speaking your mother tongue, that time you don't know how to write, you don't know how to read. Only one thing, that time you have one power, that you have only listening skill. That was only ability your, that time you never write, that time you never read. So only one you have a skill, that is listening skill. So that time you start listening what the people are saying, and start speaking. In starting you speak one word, after that two word, three word, after that speak sentences, and slowly and gradually you speak very fluent English in your mother tongue, right? So why we not apply same formula in our English, to improve our English? Because I think this is a very effective method, right? So start listening. Listening is very powerful. So now the question is come that what you will listen. So listening means that you can start listen, maybe English song, what do you like. In my cases, I hate song. I love to watch the motivational speeches. So I watch more and more that you can say that motivational speeches. And I try to what I have problem, I'm searching on something related, anything, I have any query, I try to understand in English. I open the video which is in English, so that benefit me to improve my listening skill. So you can also do, you can watch famous English speeches. I will give you some name of the YouTube channel where you can start listening. Number one is TED Talk. You can start your listening skill from the TED Talk, because on TED Talks there are lots of videos are available. You can also start listening from the Josh Talk. You can also start listening from the English speeches. There are and there are more lots of channel. If you search on the YouTube, lots of the motivational speeches or anything what you want, you can find on YouTube for your improving your listening skill, right? So I have shared in this video 4 steps, right? So I think this is enough for today. And you can also do that, you also I want to also add one more point, is that never feel that you are speaking wrong. If you think that if you are speaking if you think that you are speaking the wrong, you never learn English. Because if you do mistake, it means that you are going in right direction. If you not do mistake, it means that you not learn anything and not doing anything. Mistakes is the part of your success. If you do mistake in any field, right? If you do, see that I will give you example of, if you see the all the famous people in the world, they are done lots of mistake before they succeed in life. So failure is not option. Failure is not, failure is the option, right? If you fail, okay, no problem, you'll again start again, bounce back. And try once more, right? If you see that if you not able to speak in starting, it is very difficult for you, I know that, because if you learn anything, it is difficult for you, right? It is harder for you, you want to give up, but you never give up, right? You start speaking in the starting. If you do wrong, don't worry about that, start speaking. You can, speak in English with your family, in your friends, right? Start reading newspaper, you know make your English life for at least 2 to 3 months. you know you thinking like that, you think like that, okay, from today for next 3 months I will, I will do, what if I also think, I will think in English. If I read, I will read in English, right? If I speak anything, if you not speak with your friends, you can speak with your, there are lots of apps are available, right, on YouTube. Not YouTube, on Google Play Store. You can go and download there, where you can find lots of people. They are, also want to improve their English, and they, you can connect with them and talk with him in English. So this is the best way to improve your English, right? So never give up. I want to say that if you start journey, at least do your hard work at least 3 to 4 months. In 3 to 4 months you are able to speak English. See that, if when I started my when I started my English journey to improve in English, I'm also not able to speak English, right? But now I'm able to speak English. I'm making video in English. So how I speak? I have practiced. I have done practice. I have done my hard work. Then I'm speaking English. I know that this time I am also not able to speak very fluent English, but at least I'm speaking English, and this is okay for me for now. Now I am in the journey to improve my English. That's why I'm creating video, right? So always take action and always practice, always consistent in your work, and never give up, and never, give up to do practice. You also know that practice make man perfect. If you practice more and more, no one can stop you to improve your English. And not in English only, in any field. If you want to do anything in your work, if you practice and consistent in that, you will be success in that. You will be succeed in that field one day. Maybe it will take, 1 year, 2 year, depend on your hard work, how you are doing, your hard work, right? So I think this is enough for today. We have we have reached around 12 13 minutes, and I think this is okay for today, because uh, I have already told you I try to make more than 10 minutes video, and today is 30 minutes, okay? So I will see you in the next video. I hope that you learn something from this video, and always remember my points which I share, I have from you, which I have shared with you. Always remember that point, and try to follow all the steps which I have shared with you. This will beneficial for you to improve your English, right? So this is enough for today. So we will meet in next day. So thank you so much for watching this video. That's okay. Fine. Thank you.